Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So how are you all? Hope you are very fit and fine. Today I want to share a very beautiful designs, very stunning videos, and this video is all about the crochet skirts designs. Crochet skirts designs are using different patterns, different things for attractive videos and different ideas, good looking amazing videos and basic designs for different colors combinations and just looking like a fantastic videos and different patterns of skirts like mini skirts and long skirts and short skirts and mini skirts for are uploaded in my channels for totally 10 videos, and basics 11 videos are in my channels for uploaded. It's your choice. And you know is that for crochet flowers are used in different skirts, and basics for granny skirts are different things like laces for crochet are added in these videos. And I hope so. I really appreciate for newly designs and uploaded in my channels in creative and stunning videos and more creative designs ideas or good looking videos of skirts or mini skirts. I usually carry these designs for totally videos and demanding videos. Ideas are different colors combinations we have to share with you. I have shared with newly videos. Heart skirts using different patterns and different designs, so I have shared with you. I want to share a very beautiful videos, very stunning videos. And different patterns are available in these creative and more fantastic videos. May Allah Almighty keep you all happy, keep your home in abundance, and may you continue to enjoy my video like this. Amin. Like this amazing videos, guys, and different things, different designs. It's amazing.